Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture of Srimati Shantaben Haribai Gajera, English Medium School, Amreli. This video lecture is of Standard 3 and subject is General Knowledge. So today we are going to learn that two topics which are states and their capitals and union territories. So first one is states of India. We all know in India there is how many states and there are how many union territories. So here you can see that in this slide there are different types of states and their states have one capital, one city as a capital. So today we are going to learn the different capitals of our different states. So you can see here there is different, we can classify that as a two parts, that one is a state and another is a capital. So first one here, the first is Andhra Pradesh. The capital of Andhra Pradesh is Hyderabad. Then next one is Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh, the capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Next one is Assam. Capital of Assam is Dispur. Next one is Bihar. Capital of Bihar is Patna. Next one is Chhattisgarh. Capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur. Then next one is Goa. Goa, Panji is the capital of Goa. Next one is Gujarat. We all know our capital. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Then Haryana. The capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. Then next one, Jharkhand. The capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. Then Karnataka. Capital of Karnataka is Bangalore. Then Kerala. Capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Then Madhya Pradesh. Capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Next one is Maharashtra. Capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Manipur. The capital city of Manipur is Imphal. Then Meghalaya. The capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. Then Mizoram. Capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. Then Nagaland. Capital of Nagaland is Kohima. Orissa. Next one is Orissa. The capital of Orissa is Bhubaneswar. Capital of Orissa is Bhubaneswar. Then Punjab. Capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. Then capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. Capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. Then capital of Sikkim the capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. Then next one, Tamil Nadu. Capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Then Tripura. Capital of Tripura is Agartala. Then Uttarachal. The capital of Uttarachal is Dehradun. Then next one is Uttar Pradesh. Capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. And last one, West Bengal. Capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. So here every state have one capital and we all study it, and then state and capital. In our country, India, there is so many states. There are different states, and that all states have different language, different clothes, different food, different culture, and different activities, and that all states combine and make our India, and we are proud to be India. Next one is Union Territory. Union Territory. As you all know, India is a union of 20 states and 7 union territories. But right now we have 8 union territories. Each state and union territory has administrative, legislative, and judicial capitals. Union territories are administered by the president through an administrator appointed by him or her. This section introduces you to various states in a country and their capitals language. We all know that we study that which are the states and which are the capital of the different states. For example, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Maharashtra. Which capital here we study that here that if Maharashtra is a capital as a Mumbai, then West Bengal as a capital as a Kolkata, then Madhya Pradesh, capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal, then next Goa, capital of Goa is Panji, then capital of Orissa is Bhubaneswar, then capital of Bihar is Patna, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Like that, here we study that union territories. That union territories here given 7 union territories, but we know recently before few days, it means one more union territories we have included. Matlab our Prime Minister, our government is included 8 union territories, that is Jammu and Kashmir on 5th August 2019. So we have total 8 union territories. First one, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The capital of Andaman and Nicobar is Port Blair. Then Chandigarh, capital of Chandigarh is Chandigarh. Then next one, Dadra Nagar and Haveli, capital of Dadra Nagar and Haveli is Silvassa. Then Daman and Diu, the capital of Daman and Diu is Diu. Then Lakshadweep, the capital of Lakshadweep is Kavaratti. Then Delhi, our national capital. We all know Delhi is our national capital. So Delhi is the capital of Delhi is Delhi. Then Pondicherry, capital of Pondicherry is Pondicherry and Jammu Kashmir. But last one is Jammu and Kashmir. So India has total 8 union territories, we all know, and 28 states. Before 5 August 2019, there are 29 states and 7 union territories. But right now we have 8 union territories and 28 states. The 8 union territories of India include which union territories? Delhi, Jammu and Kashmir, Dadra Nagar and Haveli, Diu Daman, Pondicherry, Chandigarh, Andaman and Nicobar, and Lakshadweep. These union territories are special administrative sectors in the Republic of India, which operate directly under the central government. Unlike the states of India, which have their own state governments, they do not have government of their own and are controlled by central government. Out of the these union territories, which are that Andaman Nicobar, Chandigarh, Dadra Nagar and Haveli, Diu, Daman, Lakshadweep, Delhi, Pondicherry and Jammu Kashmir, they have their own legislature. Each union territory has a capital of its own or the main area of administrative. Okay, so let's we know a few information about that our new union territory Jammu and Kashmir. We all know that it's on 5 August 2019 the government dissolved Article 370 of the Constitution of India. That state converted that state into 2 union territories notified as Jammu and Kashmir. So now union territory in India with its own legislature, similar to how Pondicherry and Delhi are administered. In case of this Jammu Kashmir union territory, it will be self-administered government with legislative government. So here, students, you can know that we have 28 states and 8 union territories. So I hope you all are learn that and this all you have मतलब कि आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि हमारे पास जो 28 स्टेट्स है और 7 यूनियन टेरिटरीज है उसकी कैपिटल से वो अलग अलग है. तो वी हैव टू हम ऐसा बोल सकते हैं कि हमें ये याद रखनी पड़ेगी कि जो हमारी डिफरेंट स्टेट है उसकी कितनी कैपिटल्स है और वो कौन से स्टेट की कौन सी कैपिटल है. और जैसे हमने स्टेट की कैपिटल याद रखे वैसे ही हमें यूनियन टेरिटरीज की कैपिटल भी याद रखने की. आई होप यू ऑल आर लर्न दैट कैपिटल different states and its capital and our union state. Thank you everyone and have a nice day.